You're welcome back. Now let's look at the next item in the partnership agreement, which is the interest on drawings. In order to discourage withdrawal of cash from the firm, the partners agree on the amount of interest that should be charged on drawings made by any partner. The rate of interest would be stated in the partnership agreement. The double entry for interest on drawings is to debit the current account and to credit the profit or loss appropriation account. In the next video, we will look at the next item in the partnership agreement. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.